Alright guys, so we won't be working on this one today. Today we're moving to this guy right here. So you guys will see what we're gonna be doing to it after we wash it, because it needs a wash. So say hi to Eliza over there. She's saying hi. So yeah, today we're not focusing on this one. We're gonna be doing the type R today. I'll show you right now. It's like a little unboxing. The Mugen tail light. See it right there. Mugen. So we're gonna be installing these and replacing the OEM ones. So I'm gonna show you step by step on what you have to take out. First, what you guys want to do is take the shade off, which is pulling here. You just pull it and it should come out like just like that. Just put it, let me set this down somewhere. Let me take this box out. Alright guys, let's get started. So what you're gonna need is some tools, just a ratchet, and then some prying tools so you can pry the plastic up. So what you guys want to do is, you see this right here, just like little indents right there, so you pry it. All you guys have to do is pry right here and it should come out right out. And then there's gonna be one bolt here and one bolt here. Take it out. So there's another 2 bolts there. So you have to take these 2 tabs out. Pull them out. I already did. Take them out. Make sure you don't lose them. Put them somewhere where you can see them. Grab this. Take it out. Like that. You see it? That's 4 tabs. 4 tabs. Put this down here. Now let's move on to taking these 2 bolts off. You recording? Mm-hmm. So all you guys need is a 10, a extended, an extension for a 3/8 ratchet. Here's the 10, but it's somewhere where you can see it. So right now I'm just putting it where the tab is and the plastic parts. See it right here. You see it right here, and then right here and right here. So all 4 screws are out. So just like that, leave it hanging. That's all you need. Should be 2 bolts in there. You can see that one. And then you have these 2 for this bulb right here. So when you guys go to take this bolt here, remember to catch it. You don't want that thing to fall in here, and then it's gonna be a hassle to like take it out. You're gonna have to like use a magnet or something. All right, guys. So bolts are out. So let me clarify myself. There was only 1, and what you have to use is a 1/4 inch with an 8 to take that bolt out. So now I just gotta take these 2 off, and that's it. And this should pop right out. Same thing on this side. Take these 2 bolts out and it should pop right out. one. Two. So should come right out. That easy. And then, like I said, make sure you pick this up. So instead of prying it, guys, all you have to do is slide this out and it should come right out. You can leave that there. Since only this one have the bulb, Mugen's one don't have it, which I'll show you later. Don't know why they didn't do it like that, but it is what it is. Here's the Mugen. Do that. Here's the Mugen one. You can see it right here. Zoom in there. Mugen. So that'll be right here. You don't have to do nothing special to this. Just install it and put the bolts on it. Because, like I said, it doesn't have a bulb. Mugen didn't do a bulb on it. So it's just a clear lens. Like I said, here's your black 8 bolt. Just screw it in by hand first, and then tighten it. Guys, I don't know. I just thought of this. This was my first time installing these, so I guess you install these just to put the wire so it doesn't be hanging. So this wire is not hanging. So all you do is this. Snap it in there, and then I guess I think I put it in wrong. So like that, and then just plug it in. Stupid, but it is what it is. That's what they did. So it's a cleaner look. You can see it's back to like if it had like a wire there. So little lenses are on, all tied up, all around, even in there. Put the wire delete, whatever folder thing. So now let's get this back to put on and lower it to see how it looks. So next up, what you guys want to do is put these bolts in, which are right here. So that's all you have to do. Put these back and then put these plastic back, and then you should be good. Just like that, guys. There you go, guys. That's it. So let's see how it looks. So the clear looks. Too bad they don't have a bulb, but it is what it is.
I think it looks cool.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So, come here. So you have to take, like I said earlier, these two. So let's go ahead and take them out. There's an 8, guys. So all you have to do is use a quarter ratchet, put an extension. You don't have to use extension, but I want to keep it away from the car. Oh, hold on. Let me see you guys.
Go ahead.
Okay. So guys, use a tape to cover here. That way you don't scratch up the paint when you go take the taillights out. Just me being careful. So what you guys want to do is stretch it out to where it's like this, so there's tension. sneak it in there, like slide it in there, like I'm doing, and then that's all. If it's too long, just cut it and then put another piece in there. There you go. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera died, so I had to charge it for a bit. So I'm back. Firstly, grab it and push to the side as you cut off. There we go, just like that. Yep. Where's out, guys? What you want to do with your unplug the wires? Alright guys, so tail lights out for OEM Mugen, not the reps. They already come with LED setup, so all you have to do is just put the bulb back on here like I did. You don't need none of them. So what I was trying to figure out is these wiring, because you can see here it already has this, so I figured out that you have to push this in and then you seal it with the one from the Mugen tail light. So do this, push it in, push in all the cables in, and then connect all the wiring where it's supposed to be on here, and then seal it in there. It's weird, but there's no other way. So right now I'm just cleaning the dirt that was behind the lights. As you can see, it's just so dirty. It's so dirty. So, all right. Oh, there we go. So you can see it's sequential. So that tells me that I don't have to hit this switch. Push all the wire in. So now that you see it's sealed in, make sure you see the rubber. You zoom in. You see the rubber right here around? It's sealed. So now I could go ahead and install this. Make sure you pull the plastic off so it's not in the tabs. So I don't have to take it out yet. Could leave it on for now. Now it's put in. Now all you have to do is install the 2 bolts. Right here. Make sure it's tight in there. Check your edges. I know a lot of people like to see that. So there we go. First tail light installed. Still got a little bit of tape, but I could take that out. So that's how they look. Let me go ahead and close the trunk. That way I give you guys That's Mugen, and this is stock.
Mine is this.
Yeah, mine is that, but you already showed it. But since I already showed you how to do that side, it's the same rinse and repeat. So. Damn, guys, looks so much better. The sequential light. Do we reverse? This is reverse. Damn, that's good. Well, guys, I'm done for tonight. I'll catch you on the next video. There's more stuff for the Type R as well, not just the RSX, but you'll see. Just stay tuned, stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.